Alright guys, another little interesting car. Don't see these in many other places other than France. It's tiny. It's actually more to park them sideways. And there's two of them because there's another one here, which is worth showing you. I'm not sure if they're electric cars or not. They're tiny. And you thought smart cars were small until you've seen one of these. They're not that small. I'll show you the background, guys. Beautiful class. I can zoom it out a bit to show you. Yeah, interesting car.
Et on va continuer la balade toujours chez les pêcheurs. On va partir à droite et juste on va se faire le 5 bien.
Some car spot, guys. Porsche 911 GTS. Very nice indeed. Right at the back roof. In France, I spot another little classic car for you guys. Peugeot 205. I'm not sure if it's any special edition. I didn't go over and get too close to it because possibly someone's pride and joy. Let's go have a quick look. Really cool, eh? Don't see these very often anymore. Don't see them very often at all. Alright guys, so I found this Visa Club Citroen. I don't recall ever seen one of these before. It's Visa Club. I don't know. Really cool. Oh, I've never seen one of them before. It's like an AX, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm going to show you this Alpine now. Oh, I love that colour. That is gorgeous, actually. It's gorgeous in that colour. I've not seen one in this colour before. Gorgeous, that is. I'm trying to work out if the interior is like a brown, faux interior, or is it beautiful Alpine? Beautiful, yeah, it's brown interior. It's quite like that, guys. I'll try and show it you. So what do you think in the comments, people? Do you get a slight video of it moving?